So to start the vehicle, you need to turn on the first two black switches until the lights come on. Press on the pedal and hit the red start button. To put it in gear, pull up the lever, push the bar over, go into first. There's no power steering, so it's a bit difficult to steer at when you're sitting, but it's easy once you're moving. Has power brakes, so it stops very nicely. As you can see, it's got some good pickup. It's got a 5.7 Hemi in it with a 3-speed racing transmission. You can downshift it manually if you want to. It's also set up for line lock, so if you decide you want to put line lock in to lock the front wheels for racing, it's set up for that already with a push button release. So if that's something you're interested in. It rides like a car with aftermarket springs on it and shocks, but it rides really good. It's very stable, easy to handle. As you can tell, it's got very good power.